on this Holy Thursday, let us try to reflect. We are made for the Eucharist. We are made for the Holy Eucharist. You may think, how are we made for the Eucharist? Because we are made by God to be always happy. We are made by God to enjoy His precious gift, no other than Himself. We are made to be thankful for. We are made by God, so we are made for the Eucharist. We are made for Jesus. We are made for God. When I say we are made for the Eucharist, we are made for God. We are made to be living witnesses of God in this world. Because after all, we are also created unto His image and likeness. So we are made for the Eucharist. Now, if we are made for the Eucharist, we are transformed by the Eucharist. And let our life be Eucharistic. Thanksgiving. Let us always be thankful for God.